Good morning and welcome to Swagger Swoon. We're going to show you how to tie a self-tie bow tie. So a self-tie bow tie is really the classic way to go. It sort of hides any fixings that might be around the neck, particularly if you're wearing a wing collar. And they're not that complicated to do. There's just a few simple steps to follow. The beauty of having a self-tie one is you can adjust it until you're happy and make sure you get the style that you like. Obviously, if this is not what you're looking for, there are pre-tied ones available, and these quite often are made in the same style as a self-tie one, and they're really easy. They've just got sort of an adjustable neck strap on, that sort of thing. So those are an option for you. But if you did want to go the classic route and go for a self-tie one, here's how you tie it. So to start with, you want to drape the bow tie around the neck like this. If you have got a bow with adjustable strap in, you want to make sure that this strap comes onto the shorter end, and anything that is like this one here, you can see the fabric goes all the way to that, all the way to the top. This wants to be your longer end, like so. Take your shorter end, and you want the start of your shape for your bow tie just to be about where the button is here, like so. Cross over the long end over that button as well, so you have this X shape, and then you want to take this long end up underneath until it's poking out the top. You should have that shape. Take your shorter end here and you want to fold it back across and then back across like so, so you get that nice bow shape there. This one here, the long one at the top, wraps down over the front, like so. And then you want to fold this one up, so you have this shape. And then this fold here tucks all the way around the back of the bow and in through that original loop that you made there. This is where the adjustment comes. So that one that you've just moved becomes the back of the bow, and the one that you did first becomes the front of the bow, like so. And this is where you just want to have a little bit of a minute adjusting until you're happy with the shape, like so. You can then fold your collar down until you're happy with your bow